Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Google search history. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, all you have to do is simply go ahead and go to your Google or any browser that you prefer, and you have to search in Google Activity. Once you do that, you will find this option of My Activity. Go ahead, tap on it, and here you will find all of the activity. You can also go ahead and directly search activity.google.com as well. Now you're gonna simply have to make sure that search service history is on, timeline, play history, everything is on. You can set them by details. You can go ahead, tap on filter, and you can filter it by the date. You can add in before and after dates, whatever you prefer. Once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this delete. Then you're going to choose last hour, last day, always, custom range, whatever you prefer. You're going to go ahead, check on that. And then you can say deleting now, and it has been deleted, and that's it. Deletion has been completed. That's all you got to do. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.